Hi everyone, that's Didi Toys channel, and today we're going to crochet these cute Easter bunny eggs. You may use them as a piece of decoration or make a keychain, for example. To crochet a bunny egg, you'll need some plush yarn. You won't need much, so you can use some leftovers as I do. You'll also need a yarn of a different color to embroider the nose. I'll use thin Italian velour. You may use the same yarn you use for the bunny. Choose a contrasting color. You'll need scissors as well. I'm going to use 4mm crochet hook, some fiber fill to stuff the bunny, just a little, then a piece of emerald or felt for eyes, and a pencil to draw the eyes. I'll use 4mm amigurumi eyes. I'm going to insert and glue them to the bunny. A piece of ribbon for decoration, or you may use a ready-made bow if you wish. And you'll also need a needle for sewing details. I prefer a plastic one when working with plush yarn. I've got some transparent glue to glue the eyes and bow. You can use whatever glue you like to work with. I believe that's all for materials and tools, and we can start crocheting. Start by 2 chain stitches. 1, 2. I'll use a thread to mark the round's beginning, then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the second stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now 1 single crochet stitch followed by an increase 3 times. An increase, a single crochet stitch, an increase, 1 more single crochet stitch, and an increase again. You should get 9 stitches in total. Now 2 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 3 times. An increase, 2 single crochet stitches, 2, an increase, and 1 more time, 1, 2, and an increase again. 3 single crochet stitches followed by an increase for the next round. 1, 2, 3, an increase, 1, 2, 3, an increase again, 1, 2, 3, and a final increase. You should get 15 stitches in total. Now 4 single crochet stitches followed by an increase 3 times for round 5. 4, an increase, 1, 2, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, an increase, and 1 more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and an increase. You should have 18 stitches in total, and now we are going to crochet 2 rounds of 18, which means you crochet a single crochet stitch in each stitch around, no increases or decreases needed. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. The next round is crocheted in a similar way, so a single crochet stitch in each stitch around. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. That's how it should look like at this point, and we are starting to decrease from the next round. We need to crochet a single crochet stitch followed by a decrease 6 times. So a decrease, 1 single crochet stitch, a decrease again. By the way, I use invisible decreases. You may use the simple ones. I insert the hook only through front loops. A single crochet again, a decrease, 1 more single crochet, a decrease, a single crochet stitch, and a decrease. I will start stuffing the egg. You may do it later, but it's much easier now. You don't need much stuffing, just a little to give it a proper shape. If you'll need more, you can add it at the end. And the last round, 6 decreases, and you'll get 6 stitches in total. The second decrease, the third one, decrease number 4, five, and the final decrease. The round is ready. You may pull the thread and cut it. I'm going to add some fiber fill. It's not very convenient as the hole is small. That's much better, and the shape is just perfect. Now we need to tighten the hole, so insert the thread into the needle. Then insert the needle in front loops only. Do it for all 6 stitches. Now insert the needle into the center and pull the needle. Fasten off and weave in the yarn tail. The egg is ready and we're going to crochet the ears next. Start from 2 chain stitches again and then crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the second stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, 6. Now crochet 6 increases, which means you crochet 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around. 1, the second increase, 1, 2, the third one, 1, 2, 1, 2 again, the fifth one, 1, 2, and the last increase, 1, 2. Now cut the thread, don't forget to leave a tail for sewing, and pull it through the loop. Now fold the detail and connect the 2 edges, like this. The first ear is ready. Crochet the second one in a similar way. So the ears are ready as well as the egg, and now we can move on to the next step. I'll make a simple bow for decoration. Don't forget to heat seal the ribbon ends to keep them from fraying. Now I'm going to draw the eyes on a piece of fur. You may use felt as well. Then cut out the eyes. Use a needle to make 2 holes. Insert the eyes into the holes. Now attach the eyes and then glue them to the egg. The toy is almost ready. Let's sew the ears. I'll make a knot to fasten the threads. Fasten off and weave in the yarn tails. Embroider the nose using a contrasting color. Fasten the thread and weave in the yarn tails. And the final step, decorating with the bow. I just glue it to the ears. Easter Bunny egg is ready. Hope you've enjoyed crocheting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel, like and comment. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you!